Hello everyone. So today we are going to see what is mean by bonded labor and what are the reasons of being bonded labor and how to tackle the bonded labors. So here is the brief description about bonded labor. Let's see what is mean by bonded labor. Bonded labor is also known as debt bondage, is a form of modern slavery where a person is forced to work to repay a debt or obligation, often under exploitative and abusive conditions. Despite being illegal in many countries, it still persists, particularly in sectors like agricultural, brick kilns, construction, textiles, and domestic work. So these are the some common sectors where the bonded laborers are mostly being, like agricultural, construction, textiles, and domestic work, etc. So here is the reasons of being bonded labor: poverty, debt, lack of education, social and cultural factors, weak law enforcement. So let's see one by one. First, we will see what is due to poverty. Poverty is a major driver of bonded labor, as individuals may feel forced to accept exploitative working conditions in order to survive. Due to debt, debt is another common reason for bonded labor, as individuals may be forced to work to repay off debts that they have incurred. Due to lack of education, lack of education can make individuals more vulnerable to bonded labor, as they may not be aware of their rights or have the skills to find better paying jobs. Social and cultural factors. Social and cultural factors such as caste and gender can also contribute to bonded labor, as certain groups may be more vulnerable to exploitations. Weak law enforcement. Due to weak law enforcement contribute to bonded labor, as employers may feel that they can exploit workers without facing consequences. Let's see some steps to tackle the bonded labor, which are the straighten law enforcements by supporting workers' right organizations, by implementing fair labor practices, and by providing access to credit. Let's see one by one. Straighten law enforcements. By straightening law enforcements is crucial for tackling bonded labor, as it will help to ensure that employers who exploit workers are held accountable. By supporting workers' right organizations, supporting workers' right organizations can help to amplify the voices of workers and hold employers accountable for their actions. By implementing fair labor practices such as fair wages and safe working conditions can help to reduce the incidence of bonded labor. By providing the access to credit. Providing access to credit can help to reduce the incidence of bonded labor, as workers will be less likely to be forced into debt bondage. So these are the some steps to tackle the bonded labor. So let's see what is the legal status of bonded labor. First one is international law. International law and many national laws prohibit bonded labor. Despite this, it persists in various parts of Asia, Africa, and Latin America due to poverty, lack of education, weak law enforcement, and corruption. Let's see some real world examples. Now we know the India and Pakistan's are being conflict. In India and Pakistan, many workers in brick kilns or carpet factories are trapped in bonded labor. And in South Asia, entire families may be bonded due to a single small loan taken for a medical emergency or marriage. For these all the problems. These are the solutions. So today we will stop here. Thank you so much.